Myself, Sudhir Gijre. I am a senior mentor at Deyasra Foundation. Deyasra Foundation is not for profit organization. Dr. Anand Deshpande and his family have set up this organization in 2015. The main aim of this foundation is to support micro entrepreneurs in urban areas. We have been providing advisory services and Deyasra's mass entrepreneurship development has helped more than 90,000 businesses so far. Micro entrepreneurs have been in deep financial stress for the last 3-4 months. Recently, the Deyasra Foundation has launched emergency loan scheme through RBI approved NBFC named Grow More Finance Limited. Under the scheme, the loan amount is from 25,000 to 1 lakh, and this loan is disbursed in 3 tranches. Rate of interest for this loan is 16%, and repayment is within next 12 months period. So in all, it's a 15 months repayment schedule as such. However, many times we get a feedback that interest rate on this emergency loan is comparatively on a higher side. The purpose of this today's video is to explain how the real rate of interest is not at all high, and real rate of interest comes to only 9%. Generally, NBFCs offer flat rate of interest and as well as interest rate on a diminishing balance basis, or that is also known as a reducing balance method also. People often get confused which rate of interest is to be opted for. There are 2 types of rate of interest. One is a flat rate of interest, and another one is reduced balance or reducing balance method. In case of a flat rate of interest, interest portion remains the same throughout the period, as interest is calculated on principal amount only, and that too for every month. However, in case of reducing balance method, due to regular repayment of a loan by way of a weekly or a monthly intervals, the loan outstanding gets reduced and interest is actually charged on reduced balance and not on principal amount. I will take one example to explain the benefits of charging interest at a reduced rate of interest. Suppose, as per our scheme, that is Deyasra Foundation's emergency loan scheme, one firm named Sai Hotel has been sanctioned a small loan of 30,000 rupees and disbursed in 3 tranches at a 16% rate of interest on a reducing balance basis. The loan is to be repaid in equated weekly installments in next 12 months period. In actual calculation, he is to pay weekly installment, which comes to around 625 rupees, and principal amount get reduced every week. Hence, say in 12 months period, that is 52 weeks, Sai Hotel repays total interest of 3,310 rupees instead of flat rate of interest or flat interest in aggregate of rupees 6,000. He is able to save 2,700 towards interest cost. This is the benefit of a reducing balance method. I will take one example by way of a Excel sheet so as to understand the example in detail. Loan amount is 30,000. It is to be disbursed in 3 tranches of 10,000. So first month 10,000 was disbursed. Second month 10,000 was disbursed. See, we will see in this Excel sheet, Sai Hotel was sanctioned a loan of rupees 30,000. It is to be disbursed in 3 tranches. That is 10,000 per month he will get the disbursements. First 3 months, he will get 10,000 each. So in all 30,000 rupees is disbursed. And from 4th month, first week onwards, he will start repaying the loan. So first week, he will repay by equated weekly installment of 625 rupees, out of which 92 rupees is the interest and 538 is towards the principal repayment as such. Like that, in next 52 weeks, that is within next 12 months, he will repay 30,000 and for which total interest charge is 3,310 only. I have summarized the position at the bottom. That is, instead of repaying flat rate of interest at 16% on 30,000 rupees, which comes to 6,000 rupees for 15 months, you will pay only 3,310 rupees and thus saves 2,700 under reducing balance basis. We will see another screen. See, I will take another example. A small amount of 30,000 rupees was sanctioned. Now in this case, a loan of 1 lakh rupees is sanctioned and to be disbursed in 3 tranches. That is 33,333 rupees will be the first installment, same amount second installment, and third amount 33,333 rupees will be disbursed. From 4th month, first week onwards, that micro entrepreneur will start repaying equated weekly installment of rupees 2,083, or we can say 2,084 rupees. out of this 2,084 rupees, 1,776 is towards the repayment of principal, and 307 rupees or 308 rupees is towards the interest. Every month, as the principal outstanding get reduced, interest also get reduced subsequently. Say, initially first week interest was 308 rupees. After 1 month, interest amount comes to 286 rupees as the outstandings have come down to 92,000 rupees. Likewise, every month, if the loan is repaid punctually, then on a reduced balance basis, interest is calculated, and by this way, within say 12 months period or a 52 weeks, for a 1 lakh rupees loan, he will pay 11,033 rupees. Means instead of a flat rate of interest at 16% on 1 lakh rupees, interest amount comes to 20,000. For this 20,000, he will pay only 11,000 rupees. So there is a saving of 9,000 rupees on account of reducing balance basis. And interest saved is a cost saved. So real rate of interest comes to around 9% instead of 16% what is quoted by NBFC. But here you are supposed to pay your repayment equated weekly installment punctually. That will improve your CIBIL score also. This is the benefit of a reducing balance method. I appeal to all to take these calculations into account and avail our emergency loan for restarting, restoring your business. The Asra Foundation is always willing to help you. Thank you.